In this video, we are going to fix a Windows Update failed error 0x87d01107. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and find for system. Click on here. And under the system section, you need to scroll down and locate for troubleshoot. Afterwards, you need to click for other troubleshooters. And under the list of most frequent, proceed to Windows Update and click on run corresponding to it. Wait until this process would be finished. And once you are done, close this window and try to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then you need to navigate to the next step, okay? And the next step would be you need to run for SFC scan. So by that here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once done, you need to wait until you can see a command prompt system. Here, you need to navigate to the right pane and go with the run as administrator. Now here at the command prompt, please type for sfc space / scannow. Don't worry because I'll be including this one at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it. So click on the enter key in your keyboard and once you have done it, okay, you need to wait until this word finished. And once you have finished it, you need to close this window and try to check for Windows Update and see if it's working. However, if not, you can also update your Windows manually, bring up your Google Chrome and then just have to tap it here if you have pinned it to the taskbar. Or you can simply use the search box, search for the Google Chrome, and the moment you have seen it, just have to click on open. In that way, you'd be able to open this Google Chrome. And at the Google Chrome, you need to type for Microsoft Update Catalog. So please wait until you can see a search bar here at the center before we continue. Okay. So just have to type for Microsoft Update Catalog. And then the moment you are done typing, click on the in your keyboard and wait until you would be navigated to the list of results. Once you are here, you can find enter Microsoft.com. Please make sure that you have visited the official website, which is the Microsoft.com. No other than that. Okay? And the moment you would be navigated on the page, okay, all you need to do is you need to click on the search. Just type the code here. Okay? Usually Windows Update goes with keybies. Okay? So click on search, and once you have searched it, you'll be able to see a list of results, find the relevant one, and then update it, download it and update it on your PC, and then in that way you'd be able to update your computer. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.